Uphenyo olwalibhekisisa ukuhlinzekwa kwenkampani iEOH Africa luveze izinsolo ezithi le nkampani yaxhasa ngemali iANC eGauteng. Ngokusho kukaPowell, imeya seGoli Geoff Makhubo yacela ukuthi kufakwe imali izigidi ezisithupha zamarandi kuma-account eANC ngo-2015. Kubikwa ukuthi lesicelo wasenza ngokuthumela ama-emails ehlukene ewathumelela owayesebenza kule nkampani uPatrick Mahubedu. Kuthe uma qala isigcawu uPowell watshela ikhomishana ukuthi uphenyo lwabo lwakhombisa ukuthi kukhona okushaya amanzi ngemali eyayikhishwa iEOH Africa iya kuMakhubo kanye nakumolelwane Consulting.
The monthly administration expenses are 50,000, stipends for employees 140,000, ANC Greater Johannesburg Regional Conference venue 1 million, ANC Greater Johannesburg Regional packages 650,000, ANC Greater Johannesburg Regional Conference transport 200,000, ANC Greater Johannesburg Regional Conference printing documents, branding and decor 800,000.
Ubufakazi bukaPowell budalule ukuthi kunemali yakhokhwa ngendlela engaqondakali kusetshenziswa i-internet nokuyimali engu-1.2 billion rands ngomsebenzi owungazange wenziwe. iEOH Africa yakhokhelwa ngumkhandlu dolobha iGoli ngomsebenzi engazange iwenze nokuyimali yakhokhwa izikhawu eziningana.
There was a payment of 21,600 to the FNB account of Mr. Zintwa. The next date is 19 October. There was a payment of 20,000 to the FNB account of Mr. Zintwa. And on 29 October 2015, there was another payment of 50,000 to Mr. Zizi Kotwa.
Isigcawu kulindeleke ukuthi siqhubeke kusasa.